Hello friends, today we are going to learn exercise of lesson number 12, Introduction to Acid and Base of 8th Science. Let's start. Question number 1. Identify the following solutions whether they are acid or base. खाली दिलेली द्रावणे आम्ल आहेत की आम्लारी आहेत ते ओळखा. Answer. Solution. Change in indicator. Acid or base. Solution 1. Blue litmus turns red. Phenolphthalein. No change. Methyl orange. Orange color turns red. And acid. Solution 2. Litmus. Blue litmus turns red. Phenolphthalein. No change, and methyl orange. Orange color turns red and acid. Solution 3. Red litmus turns blue. Phenolphthalein colorless to pink. Methyl orange. Orange color turns yellow and base. Next question. Question number 2. Write the chemical names from given formulae. खालील सूत्रावरून रासायनिक नावे लिहा. Answer. 1. H2SO4 sulfuric acid. 2. CaOH2 calcium hydroxide. 3. HCl hydrochloric acid. 4. NaOH sodium hydroxide. 5. KOH potassium hydroxide. And 6. NH4OH ammonium hydroxide. Next question. Question number 3. Sulfuric acid has highest importance in chemical industry. Why? सल्फ्युरिक आम्लाला रासायनिक उद्योगधंद्यात सर्वात जास्त महत्त्व का आहे? Answer. Because it is used in the manufacturing of fertilizers like ammonium sulfate, superphosphate of lime, and used in hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, phosphoric acid, ether, plastics and metal sulfates. Also used in manufacturing of dyes, drugs, perfumes and disinfectants and glue. Next question. Question number 4. Give answers. कारणे लिहा. Question A. Which acid is used for getting chloride salt? क्लोराइड क्षार मिळवण्यासाठी कोणते आम्ल वापरले जाते? Answer. Hydrochloric acid. Next question. Question B. By squeezing lemon on a piece of rock, the gas liberated turned lime water milky. Which compound is present in the rock? एका खडकाच्या नमुन्यावर लिंबाचा रस पिळताच तो फसफसतो आणि त्यात निर्माण होणाऱ्या वायूने चुन्याची निवडी पांढरी बनते. खडकात कोणत्या प्रकारचे संयुग असते? Answer. Metal carbonate is present in the rock. Next question. Question C. The label on the bottle of chemical is spoiled. How will you find whether the chemical is acidic or not? प्रयोगशाळेतील एका अभिक्रियाकारकाच्या बाटलीवरची चिठ्ठी खराब झाली तेव्हा त्या बाटलीतील द्रव्य आम्ल आहे की नाही हे तुम्ही कसे शोधून काढाल? Answer. The chemical is tested with blue litmus paper. If it turns red, it is an acidic. Otherwise, tested with red litmus paper. If it turns blue, it is an alkaline. Next question. Question number 5. Answer the following questions. खालील प्रश्नांची उत्तरे लिहा. Question A. Explain the difference between acid and base. आम्ल व आम्लारीमधील फरक स्पष्ट करा. Answer. Acid and alkali. Acid. 1. Acid has sour taste. Alkali. 1. Alkali has a bitter taste. acid. 2. Acid turns blue litmus red. Alkali. 2. Alkali turns red litmus blue. Acid. 3. An acid is an aqueous solution, gives H plus ions. Alkali. 3. An alkali is an aqueous solution, gives OH minus ions. Acid. 4. Oxides of non-metals from acids, and alkali. 4. Oxides of metals from bases. Next question. Question B. Why indicator does not affect by salt? दर्शकावर मिठाचा परिणाम का होत नाही? Answer. Mostly indicators are organic compounds which do not react with a salt. Next question. Question C. Which substances are produced by neutralization process? उदासीनीकरणातून कोणते पदार्थ तयार होतात? Answer. Salt and water are produced in the neutralization process. Next question. Question D. Which are the industrial uses of acids? आम्लाचे औद्योगिक उपयोग कोणते? Answer. 1. Sulfuric acid is used in the manufacture of chemical fertilizers like ammonium sulfate, for cleaning gold and silver articles and in car batteries. 2. Hydrochloric acid is used to clean toilets and to obtain glucose from starch and also for producing gelatin. 3. Nitric acid is used in the manufacture of perfumes, for engraving on copper, brass or silver, and in the manufacture of paints and explosives. Next question. Question number 6. Select proper word given in bracket and fill in the blanks. रिकाम्या जागी योग्य शब्द भरा. Question A. Main constituent of acid is dash. Answer. Main constituent of acid is H plus ion. Question B. Main constituent of base is dash. Answer. Main constituent of base is OH minus ion. Question C. Tartaric acid is a dash acid. Answer. Tartaric acid is a weak acid. Next question. Question number 7. Match the pairs. A गट आणि B गट यामध्ये दिलेल्या शब्दांच्या योग्य जोड्या लावा. Answer. 1. Tamarind, tartaric acid. 2. Curd, lactic acid. 3. Lemon, citric acid. And 4. Vinegar, acetic acid. Next question. Question number 8. State true or false. खालील विधाने चूक की बरोबर ते सांगा. Question A. Oxides of metals are acidic in nature. Answer. True. Question B. Table salt is acidic. Answer. False. Question C. Metal corrodes due to salts. Answer. False. And question D. Salts are neutral. Answer. True. Next question. Question number 9. Classify following substances into acidic, basic and neutral group. खालील पदार्थांचे आम्लधर्मी, आम्लारीधर्मी व उदासीन या गटात वर्गीकरण करा. Answer. Acid, HCl, H2SO4 and HNO3. Base, CaO, MgO, Na2CO3. Neutral, H2O, NaCl and KCl. अशा पद्धतीने विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो आज आपण इयत्ता 8वी विज्ञान विषयातील पाठ क्रमांक 12 इंट्रोडक्शन टू ऍसिड अँड बेस या पाठाचा स्वाध्याय अभ्यासलेला आहे. तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि आपल्या चॅनलला अजून सबस्क्राईब केलं नसेल तर सबस्क्राईब करा. आज आपण इथंच थांबूयात. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.